Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have a stable internet connection and everything, but you cannot see and find Call of Duty Mobile on your Google Play Store for Motorola Edge 30 Fusion. So first let's open up our Google Play Store and try finding the game. As you can see, there's no game that we're looking for, so let's fix this. Go back, click on your profile picture, move to the settings, then family, parental controls, and here either disable parental controls entirely or move to apps and games, enter the PIN code, click OK, increase PG to at least 16 and make sure to save the settings afterwards. Now if you go back and try to find the game again, it's right here and you can download it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.